Let's discuss avocado nutrition facts and the benefits of avocados. Yep, that's right, the fruit that has taken over Instagram feeds, breakfast tables, and health food stores around the world. But why? What's so special about avocados? Well, let me tell you, there's a lot more to this little green wonder than meets the eye. In this video, we'll uncover the amazing avocado nutrition facts, from surprising health benefits to little-known facts that might just blow your mind, plus some simple ways to include avocado into your diet. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Did you know that a single medium avocado has around 240 calories? But don't let that number scare you. It's packed with healthy fats, about 21 grams of them. These healthy fats are great for your heart and overall well-being. Plus, you get 3 grams of protein, which is fantastic for a fruit, and 12 grams of carbs, including 10 grams of fiber. That fiber is going to help keep your digestion in check and keep you feeling full longer. Before we get into the other nutrients of avocados, let's spice things up with some fun facts and trivia about avocados. Did you know that avocados have been around for thousands of years? They originated in south-central Mexico, where they were a staple food for the Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, the word avocado comes from the Aztec word ahuacatl, which means testicle. Yep, because of its shape. Avocados were introduced to the United States in the early 20th century, but they really gained popularity in the 1980s and 1990s thanks to their rich, creamy texture and numerous health benefits. Now, let's test your avocado knowledge with some trivia. Here's a fun question. How many varieties of avocados are there worldwide? Is it A, 5, B, 20, C, 50, or D, over 500? Drop your answers in the comments below and let's see who gets it right. And here's another one for you. Which country is the largest producer of avocados in the world? Is it A, Mexico, B, Brazil, C, Spain, or D, the United States? Keep those guesses coming, and I'll reveal the answers at the end of the video. Speaking of healthy fats, avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a little hug with every bite. These fats are also fantastic for maintaining healthy skin and providing long-lasting energy. So when you're enjoying that creamy avocado, you're not just treating your taste buds. You're doing something amazing for your body too. Imagine switching out less healthy fats, like those found in butter or processed oils, for the healthy fats in avocados. Not only are you making a delicious choice, but you're also making a heart-healthy one. I remember when I started adding more avocados to my diet, I felt a significant boost in my overall energy and well-being. It's incredible how such a simple change can have such a positive impact. Avocados are a powerhouse of vitamins. They're rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, helping to keep your bones strong and healthy. They also pack a punch of vitamin C and E, great for your immune system and skin. So not only are you boosting your defenses against colds and infections, but you're also giving your skin a radiant, healthy glow. And don't forget about potassium. Avocados have more potassium than bananas, which is fantastic for keeping your blood pressure in check. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for heart health and overall well-being. Plus, avocados contain magnesium, which is vital for muscle function and energy production. So when you enjoy an avocado, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat. You're giving your body a big nutritional boost. Avocados are also full of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are fantastic for your eyes. These antioxidants help protect against age-related eye issues, like cataracts and macular degeneration. So, when you're enjoying that delicious avocado toast, you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're also giving your eyes some much-needed support to stay healthy and sharp as you age. And here's something cool. Avocados have anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds like phytosterols and carotenoids that help reduce inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many serious conditions, like arthritis and even heart disease. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're helping to combat this inflammation naturally. It's amazing how this creamy, delicious fruit can play such a powerful role in keeping your body healthy and balanced. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can actually help with weight management. The fiber and healthy fats keep you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy options throughout the day. It's like nature's appetite suppressant. When you eat foods that keep you satisfied, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating plan and avoid those tempting junk foods. I love adding half an avocado to my morning smoothie. It keeps me full until lunchtime and adds a creamy texture that's just delicious. Not only does it taste great, but it also helps me power through my morning without those mid-morning cravings. It's a simple and tasty way to incorporate this nutritious fruit into your daily routine and help manage your weight effectively. Now that you know how amazing avocados are, let's talk about some easy ways to include them in your meals. You can add slices to your toast for a quick and nutritious breakfast. It's a simple way to make your morning meal more satisfying and healthy, or mix them into salads for a creamy texture and extra nutrients. Avocado pairs well with just about any salad ingredient. Blending avocados into smoothies is another fantastic option. They add a rich, creamy texture that makes your smoothie feel more like a treat than a health drink. And if you're looking for a healthier alternative to butter or mayo, try using mashed avocado as a spread. It's perfect on sandwiches and even better on burgers. The possibilities are endless. Avocados are so versatile, you'll never run out of delicious ways to enjoy them. Alright, time to reveal the answers to our avocado trivia questions. First up, how many varieties of avocados are there worldwide? If you guessed D, over 500, you're absolutely right. There are indeed more than 500 different types of avocados grown around the world, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Some of the most popular varieties include the Hass, Fuerte, and Bacon avocados. Isn't it amazing how diverse this fruit can be? Now, for our second question, which country is the largest producer of avocados in the world? The answer is A, Mexico. Mexico produces more avocados than any other country, and it's no wonder, given that avocados have been a part of their culture and cuisine for thousands of years. In fact, most of the avocados you find in stores, especially in the United States, come from Mexico. So next time you enjoy an avocado, there's a good chance it traveled all the way from a sunny Mexican orchard to your plate. Let's talk about some practical tips to help you get the most out of your avocados. First up, storage tips. If you have ripe avocados that you want to keep fresh longer, pop them in the fridge. The cold temperature slows down the ripening process, so they stay perfect for a few extra days. If you've already cut your avocado, sprinkle a little lemon or lime juice on the exposed flesh to prevent browning, then store it in an airtight container in the fridge. Now, what if your avocados aren't ripe yet, and you need them to ripen faster? No problem. Place them in a brown paper bag with an apple or banana. These fruits release ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening process. Check them daily, and they should be ready to eat in a day or two. And how do you know when an avocado is perfectly ripe? Give it a gentle squeeze. If it yields slightly to pressure, but doesn't feel mushy, it's just right. The skin color can also be a clue. For Hass avocados, look for a dark, almost black color. And now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? Drop your answers in the comments below. We love getting new ideas from our awesome community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next video.